The continuous question. Continuous question. Okay. Well, Nani, hey Banjab. Abhi Banjab. Exhaust. Oh. So, like, I just given this. Then, so to show the experience in years and months. Okay. So, example, experience is 40 months. 40 months is equal to 3 years, 4 months. 3 years means 36 plus 4, 40. How to calculate years? To calculate years, divide months with what? 12. To calculate the years, divide the months with 12. If you want to show the experience in this format, first calculate the experience in months. After that, divide the months with 12. You'll get the experience in years. Next, to get the remaining months, divide the months with 12, take the remainder by using mod function. So, for example, mod of 40, 12. So, 40 divided with 12, what the remainder is? 4. Then, now let's see. What? Select E name. Next one, experience. But first, I want to show years. How to calculate years? Months by 12. How to get the months? I want to calculate experience in months. Add months is for adding the months. It will not give the difference, boss. Add months is for adding the months. How it give the difference? Experience means difference. Then what is the function is? We use a function. months between. Then months between system date, comma what? Height date. So just see this. This gives experience in months. Okay, this function gives experience in months, but divide with what? 12. Then after dividing with 12, like suppose say 40 by 12, you'll get 3 point something, but let us take 3 only. I don't want point something. I want only 3. Take only 3 from this. How to take the 3? So apply what? Floor function. Apply the floor function. Then as what? As years. Next one. How to get the remaining months? So divide months with what? Divide months with what, sir? 12. Divide months with 12. Take the remainder by using a function what? Mod. Mod of what? Months between. Next one. System date, comma what? Height date. So what this gives? This gives what? Months. And divide this months with what? 12. Take the remainder. So this gives the remaining months. So this gives months from what the table name is EMP. Understood? So just I'm going according to this. So first calculating the experience in months, divide this months with 12, take the integer part by using floor function. Next, to get the remaining months, so this is months divided with 12, take the remainder by using mod function. That's all. Now, so let me run this. Then, what this gives? This gives what? I don't want this decimal part. I don't want this decimal part. Actually, months between gives decimal part. That's why here what? Like here you apply what? Floor. Sir, you are getting the months between is giving the decimal part, but I don't want the decimal part. Just what? Then. Sir, okay, na? Understood? Why I'm applying this floor? Because I don't want the decimal part. Then applying the floor. So let me run this query. Then see. Let me execute the query. So what is the Smith? Smith is working since what? 42 years and 1 month. Smith is working 42 years and 1 month. Okay, then this is the query. Okay. So it is giving the output like this. ename, years, months. But the ename is Smith, years is 42, month is 1. Let's check whether it is correct or not. 42 years, 1 month is correct or not. Okay, then. Check this output is correct or not. Employee Smith joined in 17th December 1980. Smith joined on 17th December 1980. Now, up to 17th December 22. Up to 17th December 22. How many years completed? 42 years. Next, 42 years. But now, next, what is the next? 17th January 23. Then what? 1 month. That's all. 17 January 23. 17 January is completed or not? Yes. So then the Smith is working 42 years, 1 month. So this output is correct? Yes or no? Yes. She is working 41 years, 11 months. Okay, then. So this is how to display the experience in years and months. Okay, next. Next one. There is a function. What that is? Like last day. In date functions, there is a function last day. Last day. Last day, this function returns last day of the month. This function returns last day of the month. Function returns last day. Last day of the month. Month last day. What we have to pass to this last day, you pass date. You pass the date. But what this gives? Last day. Last day means month ends with 13, 31st, 28, 29, like that. Last day. Okay? Then. Example, suppose last day, sys date. Then last day, sys date. Last day, sys date. 31st Jan 23. But the last day of the current system date means it will take current month. Sys date means current day, na? But what is the current month? Jan. So it will return January month last day, 31st January 23. Okay. Using this, we can find out whether month ends with 13 or 31st or 28 or like that. So because one day also, it is a big matter for banks when they are calculating interest amount. One day also is most important for bank. Yes or no? So that is why first they check whether month ends with 13 or 31st or like that. Now, suppose, let's see, for example, select last day from dual. What is that is 31st January 23. 31st Jan 23. Okay, then. That's all. Understood? Then I'll ask display next month first day. Next month first day. Only small logic. Next month first day. What this gives? Last day of the current month. To get next month first day plus 1, add 1 day. If you add 1 day, you'll get next month first day. Yes or no? Then see, select what? Last day of what? Sys date plus 1 from dual. 1 day is added. After adding 1 day, you'll get next month first day. First Feb 23. 1st Feb 23. Then. Sir, okay now? Now. Then. Suppose, now you tell me this. Display current month first day. This is giving next month first day, na? But I want current month first day. Simple, boss. That's all here. Minus. What this gives? This gives next month first day. This gives next month first day. Then minus 1 month. Next month first day minus 1 month. Then what it gives? This gives next month first day, boss, minus 1 month. Then you'll get current month first day. Yes or no? Then what? How to write? So, once again, this expression, this query returns next month first day. But from this subtract 1 month. If you subtract 1 month, you will get current month first day. But question is how to subtract 1 month? How to subtract 1 month? Add months. Add underscore months. Add underscore months. Then what this is? Minus 1. Add months. Add months function. Using add months function, you can add, you can subtract. So tell me, what this gives? What this gives? This one. This gives next month first day. 1st Feb 23. Minus 1 month. Then 1st January 23. 1st January 23. It will not consider whether month is 13 or 31 or 28 or 29 or not like that. Okay, 1 month is subtracted. After subtracting 1 month, you'll get 1st January 23. So, execute this query, 1st January 23. Okay, no? No. Okay, then. Now, sir, when you use these functions, what do you have to do? You have to follow the syntax. Okay. What is important is syntax is important. How to use add months, how to use last day. Then, once again, see, like suppose here, last day. This gives what? Last day is his day. This gives last day of the current month. Plus 1. Next month, first day. This whole thing gives 1st February 23. 1st February 23. From this, what do you have to do? 1 month should be subtracted. Then, if you want to subtract 1 month, which function you have to use? Which function you have to use? Add months. Then, add months. How to use add months? You go and check. Just see the syntax of add months. Add months, first argument is what? Date. Next argument is months. So then I want to use add months. Just follow the syntax of add months. First one is date. What is the date? This is the date. This is the date. Next month, first day. This is the date. Comma. Next one, months. How many months? 1 month. You want to subtract 1 month. Then minus 1. Plus means added. Minus means subtracted. That's all. So what is the date for add months? What is the date for add months? This is the date. This is the date. From this date, 1 month is subtracted. Then you'll get 1st January 23. Sir, okay now? Then now. So this is how to get the first day, how to get the first next month. Then, so there is a function next day. There is a function next day. Then, what is this function is? Returns next specified day starting from given date. Function returns next specified day starting from given date. Function returns next specified day starting from given date. Starting from the given date, returns next specified day. This function takes two arguments. First argument is date. Next argument is what? Day. First one is date. Next one is day. Date and day. Date. Starting from this date, when this day falls on. Starting from this date, when this day falls on. Example, select next underscore day, date. Date is what? Sys date. Date is sys date. So which one you want to find out? Sunday. Then what is the meaning of starting from today? This function returns next Sunday date. Starting from today, it returns next Sunday date. Next Sunday date. What the next Sunday falls on? What is the output? 29th Jan 23. Next Sunday date. Using this, you can find out when the next Sunday falls, when the next Monday falls. Okay? So I give next Tuesday. Then next Tuesday. What the next Tuesday is? Then 31st. Okay. Now, that's all. This is next Sunday. Next Sunday is 29 January 23. Okay, now? Then. By using this, you can find out any Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, anything, any date. So just give the pass a day, then it will return the date. If I pass Saturday, next Saturday. Next Saturday is what? 28th. Next Saturday is 28th. Okay? Then. Next one. What the next one is? Then. So you try this. One is display what? First Sunday of the next month. Display next month first Sunday. Display next month first Sunday. Then. And display next month first Sunday. Display current month last Sunday. I want to find out next month first Sunday and find out current month last Sunday. this month last Sunday I want to find out. And I want to find out next month first Sunday. Next month is February. February month first Sunday I want to find out. Okay? You have to write the queries for this. Okay, na? You try this. Okay? Then. So function is this. Okay, na? Then. If you want to start from next month first Sunday, if you want to get next month first Sunday, where you have to start from? Sir, question is this. You want to find out next month first Sunday. Then you have to start from which date? First day of next month. First day of next month. Starting from first day of next month, find out the Sunday. Then you'll get what? Next month, first Sunday. So from which date you have to start? That is important. If you give system date, it starts from system date. But according to this requirement, you have to start from which date? You have to start from which date? First day of the next month. First day of the next month. Okay? Then starting from first day of the next month, find out the Sunday. Okay, you try this. That's all. So what are these functions? These functions are what? What are these functions? These functions are date functions. One is add months, another one months between, another one last day, another one next day. Sir, okay? Then. Now, so, you know rounding numbers? You know rounding numbers? Yes. Okay, na? Rounding numbers. Similarly, even dates also can be rounded. Not only numbers can be rounded, even dates can be rounded. Okay? What this is? Rounding, what's that? Dates. Rounding dates. Then, which functions we use? For rounding the dates, there are two functions. One is round function, another one trunc function. But floor and seal is not applied on dates. Only these two functions are applied on dates. Round and trunc. Okay, then. But thing is, sir, numbers can be rounded to what? Numbers can be rounded to what? Integers, decimal places. That's all. Number can be rounded to either integer part or it can be rounded to decimal places. But dates can be rounded to, okay, year, month, day. Dates can be rounded to year, month, day. You check these things in like others. Okay, na? Nobody will cover this. But this is most important in if you go to real-time projects. In real-time projects, dates plays most important role. Date calculations are most important. Okay, then I'll take one example. Like just okay, now after 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I'll take one example. So then dates can be rounded to year, month, day. Suppose, for example, round function. Now pass the date, system date. I'm asking round the system date to what? Year part. Round the system date to year part. Round the system date to year part. Okay. What I said, round function rounds according to average. Below average, above average, it will check. So tell me, system date is between which 2 years? System date is between which 2 years? Sir, I said yesterday round of 386 minus 2. Then we'll consider 386 is between which two hundreds? Minus 2 means hundreds now. So 300 to 400. Like that. Now you are rounding the system date to year part. System date is between which 2 years? 1st Jan 23 to 1st Jan 24. The system date is between 1st January 23 to 1st January 24. Yes. What the average is? Average is what? Average is 30th June. 30th June, what's that? 23. Average is 30th June 23. Average. Average is what? 30th June 23. Now tell me, system date is below average or above average? Below average. What is the system date? 24th January 23. So this is below average. Below average means rounded to what? 1st January 23. 1st January 23. Okay. Asking Oracle round the system date to year part. So system date is between these 2 years. Average is 30th June 23. But today's system date is below average. Below average means rounded to lowest. What the lowest is? 1st January 23. Okay, done. So you want to test, you can test it. You want to test, you can test. What? Select what? Round off system date from year. 1st January 23. Round it to the current year. Yes or no? Next. Suppose round off system date month. Month. System date is rounded to month. Current month or next month depends on average. Understood? Year. You're rounding it to year. Current year or next year. Rounded to current year or next year. Current year. Why it is rounded to current year? Because the system date is below average. That's why it is rounded to current year. Here also, the system date is rounded to current month or next month depends on the average. So tell me, system date is between which 2 months? 1st January 23 to 1st Feb 23. Consider the month. Then, what is the average? 15th or 16th or something. 15th January. 15th January. So tell me, system date is below 15 or above 15? Today is 24. 24th is what? Above 15. That is, it is rounded to next month. Next month starts from 1st Feb 23. It is rounded to next month. Why it is rounded to next month? Because system date is above average. Okay. Next. Oh, if you want, you can check. Select what? Select what, sir? Round off. What? Sysdate, comma, what? Month from dual. First web 23. Yes or no? Next. Next one. Round of what? Sysdate, comma, DAY. DAY. Then what? Round of system date DAY. So, like I given, dates can be rounded to year, month, day. Then dates can be rounded to year, month, day. Then what? Day. Once again, day means it will consider day of the week. Day means day of the week. Sunday na, Monday na, Tuesday na, Wednesday na. So the system date is between which 2 weeks? Day means day of the week, boss. The system date is between which 2 weeks? Week means Sunday to Sunday. Sunday to Sunday is week. Then, so like, what is the last Sunday? 23rd. 22nd? 22nd. 22nd January 23 to the next week. Next week starts from 29 January 23. Week to week. Year means year to year. Month means month to month. Day means week to week. So current week is this. Next week starts from 29. Then what the average is? Average is what's that? Maybe Thursday. Average is what? Thursday. So Thursday or above Thursday, rounded to next week. Below Thursday, rounded to current week. What is today is? Today is Tuesday. Below Thursday, rounded to current week. So current week starts from what? 22nd Jan 23. So okay now? Then. Then. Okay, suppose here, then select what? Then. So 22nd Jan 23. Okay, so because today is Tuesday, Tuesday is what? Below average, rounded to current week. Current week is started from 22nd Jan. So you can round the date to year part, you can round the date to month, or you can round the date to day. You can also use trunk. If you use trunk, then what? If you use trunk, trunk of system date, comma, year. Sir, you know the difference between round and trunk. Same thing you apply here. Yesterday we discussed the difference between round and trunk. Same thing you apply here. Then what? System date is between which 2 years, boss? 1st January 23 to 1st January 24. Then what I said? Trunk function always rounds to the lowest. What the lowest is? 1st January 23. It will not check. It will not check whether date is above average or below average. It will not check. Always rounds to the lowest. Then next, trunk of what's it? Trunk of system date, month. Then trunk of system date to month. System date is truncated to month. This is month. Then system date is between which 2 months? Current month to next month. But it is rounded to current month. What the current month starts from? 1st Jan 23. Round function checks average, but this will not check the average. It is always rounds to the lowest. Then trunk of sysdate comma day, rounded to current week, current week, current week, 22 Jan 23 to next week. Next week is 29th Jan 23. But trunk function always rounds to the lowest. What is the lowest? 22nd Jan 23. Sir, okay, na? That's all. What this is? This is what? So then, if you want, you can test. What? Select what's it? Trunk of system date, comma what? Year. Trunk of system date, comma what? Month, comma trunk of system date, comma day. From what? Dual. From dual. Then 1st January 23, 1st January 23, 22nd January 23. So this is truncated to current year. Current year starts from 1st January 23. This is truncated to current month. Current month starts from 1st January 23. This is truncated to current week. Current week starts from 22nd January 23. That's all. Always current. But in case of round, current or next or depends on average. But this will not consider average. Sir, okay? Okay then. Okay. Now, next. This is what? Dates. This is dates. What the next one is? Next one is what's it? Conversion functions. Conversion, special, analytical, aggregate. 4 left. Okay. and these functions use it to convert one data type to another data type. Functions use it to convert one type to another type. If you go to Java, they call it as typecasting. Okay, then. So converting from one data type to another data type. What we convert data type. Okay, then. Sir, clear? Then, for converting, Oracle is given 3 functions. For converting, Oracle is given what, sir? 3 functions. One is toChar, one is toDate, another one toNumber. Oracle is given 3 functions for converting. The following functions are used to convert one type to another type. toChar, toDate, toNumber. Okay, then. Then. So, the name itself is telling. This is used to convert to 2. This is used to convert to char type. This is used to convert to date type. This is used to convert to number type. So this function is used to convert. Okay, then. So actually we have, how many types are there? We have 3 types. One is number, one is char, one is what? Date. There are 3. Now I want to convert date to character type. I want to convert date to character type. To convert date to character type, which function we use? To underscore char. Okay. I want to convert number to character type. To convert number to character type, which function we use? To underscore char. Date to char, to char. Number to char, to char. I want to convert character type to date type. I want to convert character type to date type. Which function we use? To underscore date. And I want to convert character type to number type. Which function we use? To number. To underscore number. Okay, then. So total, how many conversions are there? How many conversions are there? Four conversions. Four conversions. One is date to character. Next, second one is number to character. Next one, character to date. Next one, character to number. Total, how many conversions are there? Four conversions. How many functions are there? Three functions. Conversions 4, but functions are 3 because one function will do two conversions. What that function will? To char function. To char function is converting 2. It is converting date to character. It is also converting number to character. So conversions are 4, but functions are 3. That's all. Okay, then. Okay, then. Now, first, what is like all are important, but these two are most important. These two conversions are most important, most widely useful in real time. So what is that is? Date to what? Character. Number to what? Character. Date to character, number to character. Then, now, first we'll see converting date to character type. Converting date to character type. Converting date to character type. But question is, why you want to convert date to character type? What is the need? What is the need for converting date to character type? Okay, na? What is the reason for converting date to character type? See, the reason is, sir, actually, what is the default date format in Oracle? What is the default date format in Oracle? DD, MON, YY. YY or 4Ys, anything is okay. So this is the default date format. But different users, if different users belongs to different countries, wants dates in different formats. If you are doing a project for US client, what US client says, boss, I want date should be MMDDYY because US they use MMDDYY format. Okay. Next one. If you go to Japanese client says they wanted YYMMDD, year, month, day. Japanese use this format. Next one. If you do a project for Indian client, they want DDMM, what's that? YY. So different clients belongs to different countries, wants dates in different formats. Then question is, how to display the dates in different formats? Okay, how to display the dates in different format? To display the dates in different format, what you have to do is, first you have to convert the date to what type? Character type. Because in Oracle, date means what? In Oracle, date means always DDMONYY only. In Oracle, date means DDMONYY. If you want to show the date in different format, first you have to convert the date to what? Character type. Once it is converted to character type, whatever the format you want, you can display. Okay, na? Then. So, Now, dates converted to character type to display dates in what different formats. So, what is the function we use? What function we use? You read it. Date to char.
To care.
Then to char. Function is to char. To underscore char. What the first argument is? Date. Second argument is what? Format. Bus. Hello. This one. You sit here, please. Okay. Then to char date format. Okay, na? Then now let's see this. What are the different formats available? What are the different formats available? Then one is YYY. One is what? YYY. Let us assume date means system date. Just assume that. But not only system date, any date you can pass. Here, any date you can pass. System date, I date, any date you can pass. But just example, assume that date equal to what? System date. If date equal to system date, then if I say YYY, what it returns? Year. What is the year? 2023. If the date equal to system date, so just assume that if date is equal to system date, if I say format YYY returns 2023, then YY returns what? 23. Okay, YY returns 23. So if you give 4 Ys, 4 digits here. If you give 2 Ys, 2 digits here. Then if I say year, then returns what? 2023. 2023. Okay, na? Then. So 4 Ys 2023, YY returns 23, year returns 2023. That means it will show the spelling. What it will show? Spelling. Now, so there are 3 formats available for year. Okay, next one. How to use, we'll see. How to use this format, we'll see. Okay, MM returns what? MM returns month number. What is the month number? Okay, na? Month number 01. MON means month name, but it will return first 3 characters JAN. MONTH then returns month name, but returns full name, that is January. Okay. So this is formats related to year. This is formats related to month. What are the next? Day formats. Okay, na? DD means 24. What this is? Day of the month. Next Next one, D. 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 D returns 3. What are the 3? Day of the week. Day of the week. 1 for Sunday. 1 for Sunday. 2 for Monday. 2 for Monday. 7 for Saturday. 1 to 7. 7 for Saturday. So DD returns day of the month. D returns day of the week. What is today's? Tuesday. What is the number? 3. Number is 3. Tuesday number is 3. Yes or no? Then next, DDD. DDD. What is this? Is day of the what's the year? Day of the year. Out of 365 days, today is what? This is day of the month. Out of 30 or 31st days. Out of 30 or 31 days, today is 24th day. Out of 31 days, today is 24th. This is day of the week. Out of 7 days, today is 3rd day. This is out of 365 days, today is what? Because this is January month, na? Then what is this? Today is 24. Then what is this? Is day of the year. Day of the year. Day of the year. Out of 365 days, today is 24. Suppose assume date is February 15. Then tell me. If date is February 15th, 46. What is the day of the month? Day of the year? 46. Because 31 days plus 15 days. January 31 days plus 15 days. Total 46. Sir, okay na? Then. So this is year formats. This is month formats. This is what? Day formats. Day formats. Sir, okay na? Just see this. Just see this. Enough. Like just see this. What? Select to-char system date. Then suppose YYY year. Sir, to-char function. You see the to-char function. What is the first one? Date. Next one is what? Format. So the date is system date. What are the formats I am asking? YYYY. Then. So the system date is displayed in this format. Okay. It will show these formats from the system date. Then what is this? Is 2023. First you said YYY na? 2023. Next you said YY. Returns what? 23. Next you said year. Year will return spelling 2023. Okay. Then similarly select what? To-char system date. Then what the next one is? MONTH from dual. Month number. Returns month number. What that is? 01. MON. Month name. First 3 characters. Next one. MONTH. Full name. What is the full name? January. Okay. Then now next select what? To-char sysdate DDD. What is DDD means? DDD means day of the year. DD means day of the month. D means day of the week. Day of the year, day of the month, day of the week. So what is this? Is 24, 3. 24 is what? Day of the year. 24 is day of the year. 24 is day of the month. 3 is what? Day of the week. Today is Tuesday, now. Tuesday number is what? 3. So first, let me complete the formats. Just few more formats are there. First complete the format, then we'll write the queries. Okay, then. Okay, now. So see that whatever you want, we can extract from the date. You can extract what? Year part. You can extract what? Month. You can extract what? Day. Day of the week. Okay, now. So suppose here, then I can say what? HH. I can say HH. HH returns what? HH returns what? Our part. MI returns and one more. HH24. If we say HH24, then our part in what? 24 hours format. Now the time is suppose say 3 o'clock. Then 15:15. If the time is 3 o'clock, then it will show 15. If the format is HH, then it will return 3. If format is HH24, returns what? 15. And MI, what is MI returns is minutes. What is SS returns? Seconds. SS returns seconds. Then, so HS returns our part, HS24 returns our part in 24-hour format, MI returns minutes, SS returns seconds. Okay, then. Next, there is one more, AMR, what's that? PM. Then it will show whether the time is what? Whether the time is AM timer or PM timer. It will show whether the time is AM time or PM time. But format can be anything. Either you can use any format, AM or PM. But the time is PM, then it will show PM. If the time is AM, then it will show AM. Next. So there is a call Q. There is a call Q. There is a call Q. What is Q means? Q means what? Q returns. Q returns what, sir? Q stands for quarter. It returns any number between 1 to 4. Q means quarter. Q means quarter. Now, what is the present quarter is? 1. If the month is January to April, 1 means Jan to what? March. Jan to March, first quarter. Next, April, May, June is April, May, June is second quarter. Next, and July, August, September is third quarter. October, November, December is what? October, November, December is fourth quarter. But what is the current month? Jan. That belongs to which quarter? First quarter. Then returns 1. Okay. So these are the what? These are the various what's that? Date formats. Okay. Then various date formats. So first one is what? This is what formats related to year, formats related to month, formats related to day, and this is formats related to time. There is one that is quarter. Okay, then now let's see once again. So I'm asking display employee names, hide dates. Display employee name, hide dates. But I want to display hide dates in what? Display hide date. Display hide date in not actual format is DD MON YY. But I don't want to show that in the format. I want to display the date in different format. Okay, na? Then. So display hide date in what? DD YY format. So in actual table, DD MON YYZ, but what user is asking? User want to see the hide dates in DD YY format. So different users belongs to different countries wants dates in different formats. Then what you have to write? Select what's that? E-name. Next what? E-name. Then hide date, but he's not asking hide date in default format. He's asking hide date in different format. Then toChar, then hide date brackets. See that you have to use toChar function. You have to use like this date format. That's all. Every function, what is, if you want to use that, you have to follow the syntax. Then format, give the format. What is the format? Is given YY format as what? Hide date from EMP. So it will show every employee hide date, but it will show the hide dates in different format. So let's run the query. Then employee Smith joined in 17th December 80. But what it is showing is 12 December, 17 is day, 80 is what? Year. You want to show 4 digits here, then 4 wise. Because you are given 2 wise now, then it will show last 2 digits. If you give 4 wise, then it will show 4 digits here. How it will show depends on the format. Okay, then. So if this is changed in the table, is format is changed in the table? No. What you are doing? You are only displaying the date in different format. Original table remains what? Same. Okay, then. Next. So for example, I want to show something like this. Display employee name. Next, I want to show on which day employee joined. I want to show day of the week. I want to show which day employee joined, day of the week. So employee joined on Sunday na, Monday na, Tuesday na, Wednesday na. I want to show like this. Then what? Select what? E-name. Select E-name. Next. Then toChar. Select E-name. toChar. Then hide date, comma. What I'm asking to display? Day of the week. How to get the day of the week? To get the day of the week, there are 3 formats available. Day
of the week.
D. Sir, here once again. One more is there. What is that is? sorry, D, DAY, DAY, DY, sorry, here, DAY, DY. DAY returns what? Full name. What is the full name? What? Tuesday. DY returns what? First three characters, TUE. DAY returns full name. DY returns first three characters. Oh. So D returns what? D returns number. D returns number. But these two returns what? Name. So DY returns first three characters. DAY returns what? Full name. Now tell me here what? Just I want to show full name. Then DAY. DAY as what? As day from EMP. So this query will show each and every employee's what? Day of the week. This query will show each and every employee's day of the week. So the first employee joins on Wednesday. The second employee joins on Friday. Jones Thursday. Martin Monday. Blake Friday, like this. So it is showing. So the employee join day. Sir, okay now? Then. Sir, what it is doing? What this function is doing? This function takes what, sir? Date. This function takes date. And what it returns? Day. Hide date. First employee hide date. First employee hide date is 17th December 80. It takes 17th December 80 and it will find day. So 17th December 1980 is what? Wednesday. It go to the next employee, Alan. Alan joined in 20th Feb 1981. Alan joined in 20th Feb 1981. So what is the to-care function takes? 20th Feb 1981. Then what it returns? 20th Feb 1981 falls on which day? Then what is the day? Friday. Next one, 22nd Feb. 22nd Feb 1981. 22nd Feb 1981 falls on which day? Sunday. Understood? Then. So it takes each and every employee hide date and returns what? Day of the week. Now, but the previous query returns all, but I don't want to see all. So display employees joined on Sunday. I don't want to see all the employees. I want to see only the employees joined on Sunday. Then tell me how to write this query. Select. If you want, you can write star. No problem. Otherwise, write what's that? Ename I did from EMP. But I'm not asking all the employees. I'm asking only the employees joined on Sunday.
Where?
Whenever you want specific, whenever you want to display specific employees data, then apply where condition. Where, once again, day should be Sunday. Day should be Sunday. If the day is Sunday, then select. If employee joined day is Sunday, then select. Then how to write this? Sir, condition based on day. Condition based on day. Then day is not there in the table. What is there in the table? Hide date. Hide date is there. From hide date, how to get the day? To-care function. To-care, then to-care, what? Hide date, then to get the day, there are three formats available. Once again, listen. To get the day, there are three formats available. D, dy, day. D, dy, day. So what is D returns? Number. Dy returns first three characters, DA returns full name. Okay, na? Whichever format is suitable, you can use that. It's not compulsory that you should use D, you should use DY, you should use DAY. Not like that. Anything you can use, but what user want is he wanted to see the employees joined on Sunday. Then what? So I'm using DY. I'm using DY. Then if you use, then what do you have to write? Can you write Sunday?
SUN.
No. Then what do you have to write?
Sun.
SUN. Because DY returns what? DY returns what? First three characters. DAY returns what? Full name. But DY returns first three characters. So here also you have to use sun. If I write DAY, you have to write what? Sunday. If I use D,
One.
you have to write what? 1. Okay, na? Here, what should be the value here depends on the format. Format is DY. Then here you write sun. So this query will show all the employees joined on Sunday. Okay, this gives employees joined on Sunday. Okay then. Anyone is there? Any employees there joined on Sunday? Yes. There is an employee what? What joined on 20th Feb 81? Maybe 20th Feb 81 is what? Sunday. Sir, understood? It's not showing Sunday. Why? It is showing date, but it's not showing day. Why? In the output bars, it is showing date, but it's not showing the day. Because what it will show in the output depends on your selection. What it will show in the output depends on the selection. What you are selecting? ename and date. Then it will show ename and date only. It is not showing the day. You want to see the day. Then here you write comma to char. Sir, okay na? So if you want to see something in the output, you have to write it in select. If you write it in select, it will show. If you don't write it in select, it will not show. Okay? Then. Now, suppose I'll ask, I want to see the employees, okay, joined in leap year. I want to see the employees joined in leap year. Who are joined in leap year? I want to see that employees list. Oh, what? Huh? I want to see the employees data. Select whatever. Star. You write star. From EMP, where then? Simply saying 2char YY is not enough. Then what? Joined in leap year. Year must be leap year. What is the leap year condition? What is the leap year condition? Divide year with 4. Remainder is 0. Then it is a leap year. Divide year with 4. Remainder is what? 0. Then it is a leap year. So, how to test the remainder? Mod function. Listen first. Mod. What do you have to divide? Year with 4 equal to 0. If this condition true, then year is what, sir? Leap year. But year is there in the table? In employee table, year is there? Not there. What is there in the table? Height date is there. From height date, how to get the year? Year is not there, boss. Date is there. From the date, get the year. How to get the year from date? 2char. Then height date, comma, Y. Okay, na? To char I date Y. Then tell me what is this function returns? This function returns what? Year. So then mod function will divide the year with what? 4. Then check the remainder. This function returns year boss. Mod function will divide the year with 4. First employee, year is 1980. 1980. 1980 is divided with 4. 1980. Divide 1980 with 4. Remainder is 0. Divide 1980 with 4. Remainder is 0. Yes or no? Yes. Then 1980 is a leap year. What is the next one? 1981. 1981. 1981 divided with 4. Remainder is 0. No. Okay. Then. So this query returns only the employees joined in leap year. Who is that employee? Employee Smith. Smith, 17th December 1980. Okay, then. So here, which is executed first? Huh? Which is executed first? To char is executed first. Which is executed first? To char. Next, which is executed? Mod. First, it will get the year. Divide the year with 4. Then. So this returns what? Then joined in what's that? Leap year. Next. So you tell me, suppose display employees joined in January, April, December months. Display the employees joined in January, April, December months. Who are joined in Jan, April, December months? I want only that employees list. See all these examples, conditions not based on dates, conditions based on year, conditions based on day of the week, conditions based on months, like that. Okay, then what comes into the picture? To char. To char comes into the picture. Then what? I'm writing select star. Then from EMP, where, what? Joined in January, April, December. Then to char. Then hire date. Next one. You can use MM. What are the formats available? 3. What are the 3? MM, MON, MONTH. There are 3 formats available. You can use any. It's not compulsory that you should use MM, you should use MON, MONTH. Not like that. You can use any format. Then I'm using MM. Then MM. MM returns month number. Month should be January, April, December. Then equal to January 1. MM returns month number na. Here you have to write 1, comma, April 4, December 12. Okay? We cannot use names. Okay, na? We have to use a number because you are using MM format. If you use MON, then you have to write what? Jan, April, December. Okay? But here, comparison with one value na, multiple values. Multiple values. You cannot use equal to operator. You must use in operator. Okay? You must use in. Because it's not with one value. It is with multiple. When comparison with multiple, you must use in operator. That's all. This gives all the employees joined in this rig. Sir, okay now? Then. Okay. Then. So this gives, so this, see that he joined in what? December, April, December, January, December, January. Okay? Then. Okay then. So we'll continue this tomorrow.